Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to think in English instead of Hindi. Many English learners have the same problem. They first think in Hindi, then they translate their thoughts into English. This process takes time and makes speaking slow. Sometimes it also causes grammar mistakes because Hindi and English have different sentence structures. The good news is that you do not need to translate every sentence. You can train your brain to think directly in English. It may seem difficult at first, but with daily practice, it becomes easier. Start with simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say in your mind, "Good morning. It is a beautiful day. I need to brush my teeth. I am feeling fresh. Today I will practice English." These are easy sentences, but they help your brain get used to thinking in English. Next, look around your room and name the things you see. You can say, "This is my bed. This is a chair. I have a window. My phone is on the table." Do not worry if your sentences are short. Simple English is better than no English. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. The more you think in English, the more confident you will become. Keep practicing every day and you will see improvement little by little. Now, let's talk about some simple ways to think in English every day. The first step is to learn common words and use them often. If you know the English names of everyday things, you can think more easily. For example, instead of saying the Hindi words in your mind, say door, window, chair, table, water, book, mobile phone, and bag. When you use these words every day, they become a natural part of your thinking. The second step is to talk to yourself in English. It may sound strange, but it is one of the best ways to improve. For example, while you are cooking, you can say first, "I am washing the vegetables. Now I am cutting the onions. Next, I will add some oil. The food smells delicious." This type of practice helps you think and speak at the same time. Another helpful habit is to describe what you are doing. If you are walking, you can think, "I am walking to the market. The weather is nice today. I can see many people on the road." These simple sentences improve your fluency without putting too much pressure on you. Do not try to use difficult words all the time. Many learners believe that using big words makes their English better, but that is not true. Clear and simple English is more useful than complicated English. Even native speakers use simple words in daily conversations. The most important thing is to practice every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference. Small steps taken every day lead to great results in the future. Now, let us talk about how to stop translating every sentence in your mind. Many learners believe that they must know every English words before they can think in English. However, this is not true. You only need the words that you use every day. Start with simple vocabulary and use it again and again. Repetition is the key to learning. Whenever you learn a new word, do not just memorize its meaning. Try to use it in different sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, you can say, I am happy today. She looks happy. Happy people often smile. This method helps you remember the word for a long time. Reading is another excellent way to improve your thinking in English. Read short stories, simple articles, or English books written for beginners. While reading, do not translate every sentence into Hindi. Instead, try to understand the meaning directly in English. At first, this may feel difficult, but it becomes easier with regular practice. Listening is also very important. Listen to English podcasts, interviews, or YouTube videos every day. Pay attention to how people speak, how they pronounce words, and how they make sentences. After listening, repeat the sentences loud. This technique is called shadowing, and it is one of the best ways to improve both pronunciation and fluency. Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Some days you will feel confident, and other days you may make many mistakes. This is completely normal. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember that every day of practice brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. Now, let me share a few more tips that can help you think in English more naturally. First, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every person who speaks English fluently was once a beginner. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Instead of feeling embarrassed, learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Second, create an English environment around you. Change the language of your phone to English. Read simple English books, watch English videos, and listen to English songs or podcasts. The more English you see and hear, the easier it becomes to think in English. Third, practice speaking every day. You do not need a partner to improve your English. You can speak to yourself, describe your daily activities, or even stand in front of a mirror and talk for 5 or 10 minutes. This simple habit can greatly improve your confidence and fluency. Another useful tip is to keep a small notebook. Whenever you learn a new word or expression, write it down. Then use it in 2 or 3 different sentences. This will help you remember it and use it naturally in conversations. Remember, learning English is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were studying. If you know more words today than you did last week and you are making progress. Success comes from consistency, not perfection. Even if you practice for only 15 or 20 minutes every day, you will improve over time. Small efforts repeated every day create big results. In conclusion, the best way to think in English instead of Hindi is to practice simple English every day. Stop translating every sentence. Learn new words, read, listen, and speak as much as possible. Be patient, stay positive, and never give up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips will help you think in English and speak with more confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English learning content. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep believing in yourself.